What's going on, guys? The one, the only Water Cool Fool. Today we're going to do a Project Mini Mii update. I was able to get the 1080 Ti Founders Edition yesterday. So I got that, ordered the water block, ordered the back plate, and if my theory is correct, you should be able to use the Titan Pascal water blocks on the 1080 Ti because they're very similar. The only thing that's different is that they are missing a memory chip and a couple miscellaneous items on it, but it doesn't really matter. So I'll be getting the water block. I ordered that. Ordered the back plate. Had to order that from Dasmode, but they're on vacation, family fun time. That's okay. I can wait. So here it is, right here. So spacing issue. I didn't need those acrylic blocks. I am just using PETG tubing. If I need to, just delete some of the tubing right here, cut them in the place, and then remount it. Call it good if I am going to have spacing issues right here. It looks like I will because of the power buttons here. So I'll move this up maybe a ½ inch or so I can do that. And yeah, so now we're going to do a test boot. Test boots are always alright as long as you're going to be doing it max 30 seconds or so. You probably could get away with a minute. But I donated the Beast Machine RAM to this guy, so it's detecting 16 gigs, or should anyway. And then after that, I have the CPU water block already installed. I have some of the tubing already going in and everything. Got the blue and black cables, which look sick. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do a test boot. Now this right here should light up all fancy like and everything. I don't have the RGB LEDs hooked up to the console. I just have minimum power connected to just the fans. So all these fans should boot, but they're probably going to be full speed because I do not have the 4-pin connected to the motherboard, which controls the speed that way, but that's alright. So we're going to do a mini test boot here. So here we go. And that's before it boots up all the way. Hopefully I can plug in a keyboard right here on the USB 3.0 and see if that detects it. If not, that's completely fine. So there we go. We got everything running, and if I do a quick F1, it should bring it to the BIOS. And there we go. So that is definitely awesome. 39 degrees. For the RAM, it looks like. CPU, oh, that's the CPU core temperature right here, so that's alright. It's climbing. Going to go ahead and shut that off. Don't need to exceed past, let's say, 70 degrees, so always do that. Turn that off. So got the water block coming in. I got some more fittings coming in from Titan Rig. Titan Rig off of Amazon is freaking amazing. Really good customer service. They ship fast, and yeah, so let's go ahead and I'll show you the fittings that I'm using. These are going to be Titan, or not Titan, but Revolver RSX, I believe, or SX. So have these guys, they're blue, and then I'm using adapters right here, like 90 degrees if I need them, and I actually did, so I got that. Need some extensions, or quote-unquote extenders. I got better 90 degrees. The reason being is because I think this is a little bit too bulky and I wanted something streamlined, so I got Borrow 90 degree. Works completely fine, and they're like way cheaper. Let's see what else. I'm using Thermal Grizzly, which is pretty much one of the best thermal paste you can get. You can also delid your CPU, which I am deciding if I really want to or not. I contacted the guys from Rocket Cool, and I haven't gotten an email response because they're all sold out, so that's kind of bad, but it's whatever. So if they do contact me, I'll try doing the delid method on my 7700K. I mean, that's pretty awesome if you could drop it between 10 to 20 degrees depending on pretty much your thermal applications. So this is the exact thing right here that I got fittings. They're the Revolver SX, and the color is going to be true blue. So they have true blue and they have sky blue and a couple of metallic colors. I got Primo Chill's cord somewhere around here for tubing, and the cord did not fit in the 3/8 inch tubing, so I'm assuming there's a tolerance issue, and therefore you're going to have to sand this guy down. So we'll see if I really need to. I really don't. However, I have another thing. This cord was from Primo Chill, or not Primo Chill, but McMaster, and it works perfectly fine. So we'll see. And I also got another one just in case. That's going to be 3 feet. It costs like $1 or whatever. So I think my suggestion to Primo Chill, if they are going to do cords, is just keep in mind of the tolerance. Make them 0.313 inches. So you have basically a tolerance, you know, kind of smooth that out if you are having tolerance issues. That's my only advice to them. Other than that, they make great products, so that's whatever. You just sand it. A lot of people dealing with PETG tubing do have to do that now and then. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support, and as always, rate, comment, subscribe, click that like button, and remember now, always have a great day now. Bye.